What's up guys, Juno here from Tinybot. Now, when it comes to washing the whip, we all know there are some parts of the car that we like to wash and some parts we really hate washing. And one thing that comes to mind right away is getting down with the wheels. We gotta break out the brush, we gotta squat down, get in there, and we got 4 wheels to cover. And that's why we developed a new product that basically does all the work for you. And that's the Nitty Gritty Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Now let's break down some features that our Nitty Gritty is packed full of. First, the cleaning power of our Nitty Gritty is second to none. Most of the time you don't even need a brush. You simply spray it on, wait a few minutes, and rinse it off. It's just that easy. Second, our Nitty Gritty utilizes our new Quick Sustain technology. This innovative tech allows for immediate reactivity with the wheels and slows drying so that you have ample time to clean your wheels. Another great feature is that it removes tire browning. Nitty Gritty, when sprayed on, it extracts the browning from your tires and removes them completely. And so you can restore a factory fresh sheen to your tires. And of course, Nitty Gritty is safe on all surfaces, whether it be coated wheels, coated tires, metals, aluminum, plastic trim, carbon fiber, you name it, it's all right for it. But as always, we don't just talk about it, we be about it. So let's take a deeper look at what makes Nitty Gritty so great. Now Nitty Gritty is high foaming. This means you're gonna cover more surface area with fewer sprays. Unlike liquid types, as foam drips down, it covers the surface area that it touches on its way down. With liquid, it just sticks and it dries up. Now you're gonna see the superior cleaning power of Nitty Gritty. Nitty Gritty can be used as a contactless cleaner. However, it is case by case. Now take a look at this wheel here. It's very old. It's definitely seen better days. You got rust here, you got dust in between the spokes, you have browning. We can cover it. Keep it real with you. A lot of times, if it's too dirty, you should use a brush to really get the stubborn areas. However, for this level of dirt and grime, you can use this as a contactless sprayer even without a brush. Now we're done cleaning the wheel and tire. We use Nitty Gritty on the wheels and you can see a lot of the rust is gone, the dust is gone, all that grime is gone. The tires, the browning is removed, it's dried so you can see that the surface has that nice satin sheen to it. All right, we got a dirty wheel in front of us, we got Nitty Gritty on the left, and we got Brand X on the right. We're gonna compare the two products and see how well they clean this wheel. Rinse the tire off, let it dry a little bit. You can see the difference between Tinybot Nitty Gritty and Brand X. Nitty Gritty did a much better job of cleaning the surface of the tire and the wheel, removing the browning from the tires. As for Brand X, the browning still remains, as you can see in the surface here. I'm not sure the camera can pick it up, but a good way to test, I can take Nitty Gritty and spray it on the surface of the tire again, and then I can spray it on the surface of Brand X. Now, if you let it sit, if the browning has been removed, it shouldn't change color, it stays white. Now, if you look here, you can see brown being extracted from deep within the surface of the tire, meaning the browning still existed in the tire, though it might not have been visible. Now, why is browning bad? Browning is not just about appearance. If browning is left on the tire, it degrades the surface of the tire and wears it out. Now you can see how much browning is coming out of the surface while the foam on the left side, since we already cleaned it, is staying white.